So till yesterday, till today class, I'll be uploading to the YouTube. Okay, and from next Friday onwards, we will have Google Drive, whatever is there. I'll be uploading into the your batch 17 all classes from starting, including demo session. I'll be uploading in this one. So I've not uploaded yet any video. So I'll be uploading and I'll be sharing you all the recording in this one. Okay. So till then, you can prepare here only. You can refer your YouTube video, my YouTube videos, and you can prepare that. Okay. And let's start with the next topic. So yesterday we have discussed about the sub language of SQL. If anyone is new, just refer the YouTube video, the session 2. Okay, session 2. Session 1 was nothing but question and answer session, as well as I have invited one of my place student. So they introduced themselves and they shared the experience, how they have learned, and then how it is benefited, and they got job in one month 10 days only. So that is there. And next Friday I'm planning to call one of the student. He was having he's shown as a 6 years of experience, and he joined my institute, and he was able to crack the interview. He got 2 offer letter. One was approximately 12 LP, and another he got as a 14 lakhs per annum. Okay, so he really put effort, lots of effort he put, and he learned very nice. SQL part was very super, and other document also he followed my all you know all my document whatever I've shared with him, and he was able to crack, and he got 2 offer letters. So next week I'll be calling him, as many of you requested that someone is working in IT company, they can share their working experience, how the work culture is there, how what are the things they are doing into the project, all these things. And you can ask your question, how he prepared. He was really super, that's why I'm calling it. Other than that, like who are normal student, so I'm not calling them. Maybe you that will be not benefited. So you, whoever the student got job and really awesome, those student only I'm calling. I'll be calling. So week wise, one student I'll be calling, so that you will be motivated each week. Just give your 100% in effort, and then it will be done. So installation part, we'll see. If someone is having laptop, you can join the class using laptop. If you're having problem in the installation of the software, so end of the session we'll discuss. Or if you want to share it again now, you can share it. Okay. If you want to share it, you can share it now. Okay.
So are you talking to me? Can I share?
Anyone? Yeah. Yours is Windows.
No.
Yours is Windows or what machine?
No, it's Mac. I have to do the installation.
The Mac one, I've shared you the recording. Okay.
Yeah.
There are some this thing, it will be not more useful for many of the people. Anyone is like struggling to install in Windows, you can share your recording, your laptop screen. Anyone want to
Can I
share?
share my screen?
Yeah, you can share.
Yeah.
Bharat, you are
Yeah.
sharing.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have installed this one. Show me the download folder where you have downloaded it and extracted it.
SQL developer have extracted here, and Oracle was stored in this main.
So you did mistake that you have copied, you have cut and paste into the C drive. That's what the problem.
Okay.
So you have to do installation from the download folder only, and once it will be a setup is done, then you have to cut and paste it.
Okay.
So do download again from the Oracle, okay, from the
Okay.
Oracle website, and do installation from the, and uninstall it. You go to control panel, you know how to install it, uninstall it. You know.
Yeah, I know how to install. Yeah.
So uninstall first, and then download in download in a download folder only. So from this folder only you have to download. In download folder you have to install the software. You have to set up all the things. Okay, you have to set up all the things from there only, and then when you will be able to execute your query, you can cut and paste the things into the C drive. You can that time you can cut and paste. Okay, and you can create the shortcut. If you'll go in SQL developer, go to SQL developer. not there, not there. The folder and the download you are showing. No?
Yeah,
From
okay.
there, if you'll go to the extracted file, so go click again. If you'll go in a second last, okay, right click on that.
Mhm.
After installation, after setup, if you'll no, select that one and then right click. It will be sent to desktop shortcut. Desktop
Yeah, okay.
shortcut, so you can create it now. Not now, after
Okay,
installation.
sure.
After,
Yeah, sure.
first uninstall it, then install it, then you set up the HR and admin schema, and then you do all these things. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Clear? Any other person who is struggling with the software installation you want to discuss here for 10 minutes? Anyone? Okay, so if let me take the name. Okay, Amina, you install the software. Adi Narayan,
No,
so you don't want to install the software, or how it is? You have, it's Oracle software. It will not harm your laptop. Okay, Adi Narayan, Ashok, Anil. Guys, if you are not active, then it will be very difficult. Okay, I'm requesting everyone, just do the setup, be active in the class. If you will be silent, it will be very difficult. Anil?
Yes, I already installed.
Okay, fine. Ashok? Ashok? Are you talking on mute? Ashwin Royal? Okay, I hope he is installed.
Yes, I have.
Bhargavi?
Jayant, today night I will.
Okay, fine. Bharat Reddy? Okay, you have shown, shared the screen.
Yeah.
Hmm. Next one is Bidisa. You install the software?
Actually, I haven't installed the software. I have a question. Can I install the software in MacBook?
Yeah,
It
I
will
have
work.
said you are in group. Which group you are in, B1 or B2?
17th batch.
If you'll see in the last, I've shared just now in both the group. Okay. So
Yeah.
like the Mac, how to install the Oracle software in a MacBook. You follow that video, it will be helpful. Okay.
Okay, fine. I'll do tomorrow only. Today only, sorry.
Sure. Krishna, Siva Krishna.
Hi Jay, actually
Yeah.
I need to buy an
Okay, you need to buy. Siddharam Nasi.
Sir,
Siddharam.
actually, my in village network is too slow.
Uh-huh.
I have downloaded from the Wi-Fi college. I am doing part-time job.
Uh-huh.
I have soft copy that. Can I cut into that folder and paste into that is download section in my laptop?
If you want, I can provide you the software. No issue. Just ping me.
No,
in
sir.
WhatsApp.
Actually I downloaded that I have soft copy.
Yeah. Then you try to install. If you'll face any problem, let me know.
Sir, I cut and paste into download section of my laptop. Then I install did it work?
Yeah. You try it. I'm saying that you try it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Lenovo, what is your name, Lenovo? Lenovo. Sorry, your name, Lenovo?
Yeah, my name is Meena. I will install today night. Okay.
Sure.
After the class.
Guys, be active. Okay. Let's start with the preparation. Okay. So let's next make it today only. Tomorrow I'll share some of the videos. Okay. So I have few videos in the drive. For the practice purpose, I'll share 2-3 videos after this, so that you'll have a you will have proper understanding. Like there are 5 videos. So we are here now. Okay, so there like some of the sessions will be there where you will have all the like some of the functions will be there, DDL and DML command. For you can utilize your weekdays. Okay, so Monday to Thursday you can utilize it. I'll be giving you access after the class. Okay, I'll be asking your mail ID in the group, and I'll be giving you access for the preparation purpose for this. Okay, just for help only I'm doing that. Okay, so total we'll have 2021 class sessions. Out of that, 4 or 5 initial one I'll share with you. Okay, so till
May
DDL
I share my
also.
screen?
Sorry,
Sir, may I share my screen? I have some questions.
your voice is breaking.
Sir, may I share my screen?
Okay, fine, yeah, you can share.
Sir, and I'm trying to open it. That time it gives this warning.
Your screen is loading. You are in Wi-Fi connection or you're connected to mobile network?
Wi-Fi.
That's why your voice is breaking. Okay, so you have done installation in download folder, or you have cut and paste before installing it?
Cut and paste before.
That's why do uninstall the software, from the control panel, and from the download folder only you install the software first.
Okay.
Then you'll be able to, and do setup of HR and admin schema referring my document and video, and then after setting up all these things, then you cut and paste into the C drive or D drive, wherever you want to keep it. Okay, uninstall it first.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, fine. So let's start the class. Hope everyone okay, someone raised the hand. Sarath, you having any question?
Yes, sir. Sir, we have installed two, software tool, no? That SQL Developer and Oracle. Why?
See, the Express Edition is like, one software which will and another one is SQL Developer, where you will be firing your queries. One is for the support purpose, Express Edition. Another one where you will be writing your query. Okay, let me share my screen and then I'll show you in that. Okay.
Okay.
If you see my screen, this is the one software. Another software will be your both will be supporting both will be supported, then only you will be able to run your queries. You will be able to use
we can't write query with one tool, with
yeah,
one
yeah.
software. Okay.
Okay, so I hope you got it. So this, from this only you will be able to run your query. You will be able to fire the query.
Okay, sir, I got it. Thank you.
Actually, I have okay, so let's start the class. We'll discuss the our further discussion on that. Oracle installation. Hope everyone will do it today, and tomorrow onwards you will start practicing. Our target is to get job in 1 month only. I'll give you access for fast track also. Whoever is like ready to give their 4-5 hours every day, at least 5 hours every day. Okay, for fast track course. So next topic, what we are going to discuss, data type in Oracle. So there are few more data types are there. So we'll go for the some of the basic data type. What is used in ETL testing? What are the data types will be used frequently in ETL testing? That data type only will go for it. Okay, so other than that, we will have many others, but we don't need that much of depth knowledge. Okay, so we'll have string data types, numeric data types, and date and time data types. So string data type will have char, your varchar2, as well as your varchar. Okay, so this is the data type which will support your string, whatever the string if you'll enter. If you'll see here, DSC employees. So DSC employee, if you'll see, DSC employees, if you'll see, employee ID is a number data type. Okay, first name is your where2 data type. So it will first name will be what? Consider that my first name is Jan. Then it will be in string format. Characters will be there. So that's why it's mentioned as a where. So for that, it will be like it will come under the string data type. So character, char, where2, as well as your you know where is the which will handle the, just a second guys. Vishal, are you there in a call? Vishal? Okay guys, so okay, so it will support your string. What whenever you'll apply, whenever you'll give the input like characters or string format, you have to mention the data type as where2, where or character. Okay, so whenever you'll give the string format like like a string format first name and last name, you have to give a where2 only. If you'll see the table data, it's like select a star from employees. So if you'll see here, your employee ID is a number format. Okay, so that's why it's mentioned as a here it's a number. Okay, here it's a number. Employee ID is number. So employee ID is number. Okay, so that's why you can see in a table that it's mentioned as 100, 101, 102, all these things. If your first name is a varchar or character or a string, it will be mentioned as varchar2, varchar, or it will be like characters, char. So if you'll see that it's even in the string format, some character STEBN are there in a character format, string format. That's why they have mentioned here as a varchar2. Okay, and this is nothing but your size. Okay, how many character you want to enter, how many character you want to enter for the first name. If it's mentioned 20, more than 20 character you cannot insert. Like here, if you'll see, here is a 6 characters are there. Okay, 6 characters are there. Maximum it will allow 20 characters here. So that is the meaning of your length, and this is the data type. It will support varchar2, and varchar2 is frequently used in Oracle or any other data type. If you'll go any other database, if you'll go, it will support only varchar2 will be used frequently. Okay, if you have single character types like A, B, C, it will be you want to give in place of anything, consider that one more column if you want to add it, like a status will be something like ay, then in that case you will apply only char function. Okay, you will give the data type as char. So char is not here, but you can use char also. So this is size, or 25 size means for what? last name will be last name will be supporting only 25 characters. So more than 25 character it will not support. Okay, so this is the string format, that's why they have given as a varchar. So if you'll come to the higher date, so higher date is in date format, higher date is in a date format. That's why they have mentioned is a data type as a date. So as I told you in the document, we have three types of data types. One is string data types, another one numeric data types, date and time data types. So it depends on what type of data you want to enter into your table. So this is your table, employee is your table, and in this employee table, what type of data you want to insert, what type of data you want to insert. So I want to insert number in this column, then you have to give data type as a number. Okay, data type as a number, and you can assign the length also. If you have not assigned any length, by default it will take some 255 number or 38 maximum limit is there. 38 numbers it will take, 38 digit only maximum it will take. Okay, like this this is if your data is if you want to insert data as a character or a string, then you have to give your data type as varchar2 or character or varchar. Okay, so nowadays they are using varchar2 frequently because it is having more length. Okay, so 4000 byte it will accept, 4000 byte it will accept, varchar2 will accept 4000 byte. That's why they are using frequently as a varchar2. Okay, if your data type, if you want to insert date as a data, if you want to insert data as a date, then you have to give a data type as date only. You will be giving the data type as date only, like how it is there, no? So you will be giving the data type as a date. So this not null and all we'll discuss when we'll discuss constraint. So that time we will discuss what is this not null, primary key, unique key constraint. All these things we'll discuss in that constraint chapter. Okay, so this is how we have, and your commission percentage is numbers, your salary is a number, your salary is a number. If you'll see here, salary is a number. That's why they have given data type as a number only. So if you will try to insert character in this, it will not be inserted because they have defined it as a numbers. Okay, they have defined it as a number. Commission percentage also number, manager ID also number, your department ID also number. So they have mentioned as a number. And here 8 means what? Your 8 means what? 8 will be your length, how many digit you want to enter before decimal. After decimal, how many digit you want to insert. So in salary, if you see here, no, 8.2 means what? You can insert 2 3 4 5 like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digit. Okay, 8 digit. And comma 2 means what? Up to 2 decimal it will support. So that is the meaning of 8 comma 2. Okay, here commission percentage also you can able to insert 2 character only, 1 2 like this, and then 2 decimal up to 2 decimal point it will support. Manager ID is 6 digit. So here they have not defined as a decimal. So number only it will come, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this it will come. Maximum 6 digit it will be allowed in a manager ID. Department ID also only 4 numbers it will be you will be able to insert 1 2 3 4. So that's what I have defined it. I have given you the overview of this, how it is how the data type will be. Okay, how the data type will be in Oracle or any data type in ETL testing. Okay, so whatever the data types you are going to use frequently in ETL testing, these are the data types only you are going to use: string data type, numeric data type, date and time data type. So interview, they will not ask you these are the questions, but you should know what, because you'll be dealing with your data, so you should know that what type of data you are going to deal. If it's a string type of data, sometimes you have to convert from one format to another format. You have to use car function and you have to convert from one format to another format. So that is the different things. When we'll discuss function, that time we'll discuss in detail. So now if your data in a string format or character format, you will be giving char data char size or var_char2. So this general syntax of this, you will be assigning as a char underscore whatever the size you want to pass. So you can give that much of length. So fixed length character data of length size byte or character. Maximum size is 2000 byte or character. Default and minimum size is 1 byte. So you can, it is allowed to apply 1 byte also character. Okay, but default size is 1 byte. If you are giving without size, if you are not defined here size, so you can add up to 2000 byte data. Okay, you can use up to 2000 byte of data. So next one will be your var_char2. var_char2. So var_char2, when you will be assigning, so general syntax is that your column name. Okay, your column name will be something, consider first name and then var_char2 and then size. So same thing is mentioned in definition also, var_char2 and size, and it is used frequently into the ETL testing. If whatever the database they will use, var_char2 only they will use mostly. Okay, in 99% cases. Okay, it is used to store variable listing data within the predefined length. It can be stored up to 4000 byte. It will be used up to 4000 byte. Okay, so up to 4000 byte character it will support. Next one is like old one. Okay, var_char size. So they were using previously var_char. If you'll assign your data type as var_char while creating a table, automatically it will be taken as a var_char2. If you will define as a var_char when you will be creating a table and you will be assigned to your column as a var_char, automatically it will be taken as a var_char2. Okay, automatically it will be taken as a var_char2. So var_char size is this thing, and 2000 up to 2000 byte it will support. var_char it will support up to 2000 byte. Okay, so this is what our string data type. Let me complete and then we'll try to answer your question. Anwar, the difference between MS SQL or other database I have discussed in yesterday class. You can refer recording for the same. Okay, you can refer the recording for the same. If you are in WhatsApp group, I have shared the recording of that. If you are not if you are not in WhatsApp group, ping me on my WhatsApp number. Ping me on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. I'll be adding you to group. Okay, I'll be adding you to group. And next class onwards, we will have access permission wise. So to whom I want to permit, that those people only I'll be permitting. So new people, if I'll see, I'll be not entering without my permission. So if you are referring your friend and all, if you are referring link and all to your friend, let them message me. Okay, and take permission, then only I'll allow. Okay, so next one is Oracle numeric data types. So Oracle numeric data types is number, as we have seen here. So number, your number data type. It will support decimal also. It will support decimal also. So your general syntax will be number and precision and scale. So how many digit you want to enter, like this. So I want to enter 5 digit, then you will give 5 here. And if you want to enter 3 digit after decimal, like 23,456.676, so you will enter here 3. So 5,3 you can enter. So it contains precision p scale. The precision p can rank from 1 to 38. So 38 digit you can give maximum size. It will support up to 38 digit. Okay, before the decimal point. And a scale age can range from -84 to 127. So it can be like many digit will be there. So we are not going in that much depth. It's not required. Another data type is integer data type. So you can use integer also, integer int also. That is also possible, but frequently we'll be using number only. Okay, so it can support only 38 up to 38. Okay, so this is how we have the numeric data type. We discuss about the Oracle string data type. We discuss about numeric data type. Next one will be your date and time data type. Okay, date and time data type. Oracle date and time data types. It will support your date or the time stamp will be there. Like sometimes data will be your so sometimes you will see so sometimes you will see your data, your date will be in this format when you will be working a real-time project, no? So you will be able to see this type, like up to this one, 8 hours, 8 minute, 8 hours, 8 minute and 46 second, as well as it is supporting millisecond also, or how many milliseconds are there. So that also PM means it's evening time, that's why it's PM. Asia Kolkata. So we are in India. So this because of this only it is showing as a Asia Kolkata. So current time stamp will be like this. Sometimes you will be able to see your date will be not in short form. Date will be not in short form. Your date will be uploaded as a this date also. So in that case, you have to give data type as date. You have to give data type as a date. So this is how we have date. It is used to store a valid date time format with a fixed length. Its range varies from January 14712 BC to December 31. Maximum it will take up to three this level 4 times 9. Okay, 4 times 9, and minimum it will take from this one. Okay, so the range will be minimum range will be this, and maximum range will be your the maximum date. Now we are in 2022, correct? Now we are in 2022. It will be, you can update your date as you can insert your date as 99 December 31 December 4 times 9. Okay, so up to this label maximum value it will support. More than this, if you'll try to like 10,000 or 11,000 like that, it will not support. Okay, so that in real time scenario also, when you will be working a real time project, very important point, guys. So if you real time project also, if you will be working somewhere in a project, so how your time will be, sometimes how they will make it ETL in date, or like your system end date, something like that column will be there. Okay, system end date will be like this, and in that of the value system end date will be the column, and below that your value will be they will enter like this 31st December. Okay, 4 times 99. So like this value they will be entering. So means what, maximum date they will be allowed. Okay, so system end date, it will be allowed as 31st 12 4 times of 9. Okay, so whatever it is. Now if you want to insert the value like this, if you want to insert value like this, then you will be using timestamp as a data type. Timestamp as a data type. It will be like in this format, uh, guys, don't open your videos and all, it's not good. Okay, and don't do drawing in my this worksheet. Okay,
So can I ask one question?
just a second, just hold on, let me complete this topic.
Okay.
And then you can ask, maybe I'll be able to answer your question in between, then your you no need to ask like that. Okay, so if you have mentioned time stamp like this, then your data will be, you will be able to store your data up to here, like to 1 millisecond is there, no? Up to this level you will be able to store if you will give your data type as, if you will give the data type as timestamp. Okay, so this is how your date and time data type is there. Minimum date range is this one. Maximum date it will support up to this level. Okay, and timestamp, it is used to store the valid date in YYY, year. Okay, it will like 2022 or 07 31st, like that. Timestamp will be your hours, minute and second in this format. So this is how we have the data type in our Oracle SQL. Okay, And one more thing, guys. So when we discuss about a time range, no, in that date and time date for data type. So I'll tell you one thing, like how your minimum date will be looks like in some of the projects. So I have seen some of the projects they have written like this. So this is for the general purpose. Remember this point when you will be working in a project, no. So it will be very useful. So somewhere minimum date they will take like this 1900. Okay, and the maximum date they will take as a 31st December, triple 4 times 99. So this will be your maximum date, and this will be your minimum date. ETL start date, ETL start date, ETL end date, like that. They will mention some of the project. It will be like ETL start date, like this start date, and for this your maximum date it will be ETL end date. Okay, ETL end date. Why I'm explaining this, you may get confused, but no need to worry. If you try to get it, that is fine. If you're not getting it also, that is fine. For the future perspective, when you will be working in a real-time project, you will be able to see your date in this format. Okay, in this format, as well as in this format also it will be there. In this format also it will be there. Now you can ask your question, guys. Komal, did I answer your question, or like you have still questions? Komal?
Actually, I want to ask, we can sort date according to a descending ascending order.
Sorry, come again. Your voice is low.
Actually, means can we use sorting?
In date, you want to use sorting?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. We can use it. We'll see today when we'll discuss the select statement. No, we'll sort the date also. Okay, and I'll show you that how it will be applied. Order by clause.
Date can be null.
Sorry.
Means कि क्या हम date को null consider कर सकते हैं?
So if you are applying sorting, no, the null value will come first, and the remaining value will be sorted. If you are assigning in ascending order and descending order, accordingly it will be sorted out. So that we'll discuss today class only. After once we'll start the next chapter.
Okay.
Yeah, Pratik, ask your question.
Yes, sir. Can you repeat the integer data type?
Integer data type. Yeah, sure.
Yes.
So integer data type will support your number only. So if you want to enter your numbers, no, you'll be able to, you can give either a number as a data type, as well as you can give int also, int. Okay, when we'll create table, I'll show you both the things, number as well as int data type also.
Okay. What is the difference between varchar2 and varchar?
Varchar2 and varchar. So previously what was happening?
No. Char and varchar2. Main difference.
Main difference is what? It's memory, guys. Memory will be the difference. So when you'll assign the character, no, when you'll assign as a character data type, what will happen? How if you have not given the size also, no, it will take your 2000 byte. Okay, but if you have in varchar2, if you have not given size and you entered only 5 digit, it will be your 5 digit data only will be taken. But if you have not given size and you have entered 2 character or 1 character only, your whole 2000 byte memory it will take. So that is the major difference.
Okay, not proceed another length. Okay.
Sorry.
By mentioning char, it is taken entire data 2000 byte.
Yeah,
right?
2000 byte you can enter.
By using varchar2,
4000 byte you can.
What is the data used in that allocation only? Remaining data will be proceed in next cycle. No?
Yeah, so I'll give you one example. Okay, so consider that your first name you have given as a char. Okay, and you have assigned data type as a size as a 20. Char data type as a char, and you have given 20. So, but what is there, whatever the memory space will be taken by the char, no, it will be 2000 byte.
Okay.
But in varchar 2, if you have assigned as a varchar 2 and 20, so whatever the 20 character, whatever the data you have entered here, no, that much only it will take the memory.
Okay. Suppose I'm entering in 8 character only, remaining data bytes allocated to next.
Remaining byte, if you are entering a, consider that 6 character here entered. So it will take 6 character memory only here in because you have entered here varchar 2. If you will mention, if you have mentioned char and if you have not given any size on that, then it will be charge your 2000 byte.
Okay.
If
My doubt is
if we enter for first name as a care, then we'll give like 20. So then it will take like 2000 byte or 20 only.
Come again.
For first name, I suppose if I mention as like care 20. So then it will take till 20 or it will occupy 2000 byte memory.
No, if you have given the char data type, if you have given char data type and you have assigned some of the character, some of the size like 10, 20 characters are needed. So 20 characters only memory will be taken for char and it will be fixed format. You cannot change it.
Okay.
But when you'll use varchar 2, you can change that size also. Like if you want to make it 50, you can make it 50. If you want to make it 100, that also possible here. And how much, if you have not assigned any size here and you have entered only five characters here, so that much data only it will be, that much memory only it will be taken by the varchar 2.
Okay.
Got it?
Sir, in real time, char data type is used or not, sir?
Sometimes it will be used. Very sometimes. If your input is fixed, like sometimes it will be why only one character will you are going to enter. So you will give a char, okay, and you will give a data type as 1. Okay, 1 you will give. So what will happen? You are in future you are not going to change. You are going to enter as y or you are going to enter as a n. Then in that case you can go for the char. Okay, you can go for the char because later on if you want to change it, you will not able to change it.
Sir, my doubt is in varchar 2 20 is there, no? Data type. Data type varchar 2 size is 20. Real time, how it is given to 20 or 25? Is mentioned in mapping document or any?
Yeah, see, mapping document, they will assign you source side, what are the tables are there, what are the columns are there, target tables, what is the columns are there, what are the data types are there. Accordingly, you will be validating. That will discuss in Informatica segment. Okay, so all details will be given. How much size will be there, how much data types will be there. So all these things will be there. So if I'll show you one mapping document, it will be more clear how it will be. You shall see here mapping document. Okay, same way they will give you in Excel format, XML format, and source side how it is employee table, employee ID, number. Okay, numbers are there, and that length is given. Target side is same thing, employee ID only, and number is given, and you have to validate both side in a database. So you have to go in your schema and you have to validate both sides. Source side is okay, number 6, it's passed. Source side is passed. Target side also number, okay, employee ID number 6. So you will see that, okay, employee ID number 6, it's passed like that. So we'll discuss that in Informatica segment. We'll not go complicated way. We'll go in an easy way. Okay.
Suppose we don't have mention in size, what will going? Varchar 2, simple mention varchar 2.
Yeah,
take 4000 bytes.
Simply you can go for the varchar 2. It's generally it will be used varchar 2 only 99% cases.
Okay, varchar 2, by using varchar 2, it not mentioned in size. it will allocate in 4000 byte.
It will be allocated 4000 byte, but how much character you are entering, that much memory only will be taken.
Okay, 7 taken, remaining 3099.
It will be empty only.
Amount allocated to next cycle, next coming to data. Huh?
See what is happening. No, first name you have assigned as a 4000 byte up to 4000 byte. It will be assigned. If you have not mentioned size here, no. So means what you can able to enter 4000 characters in this place. Okay. If you have not entered 4000 character, only 7 or 6 you have done. Remaining will be freed. Okay. It will not occupy those things. Next time also you can enter 4000 byte of data. It's not like it will be added here. It will be not added here. It will be like one column, maximum 4000 byte it will support.
That is waste of the memory, no?
That's what I'm saying. No, how much data, how much value you are entering here, that much only it is taking memory.
Okay.
It is not taking 4000 byte memory.
Okay, okay. That is the major difference of care and where care too.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So next topic will be, yeah, go ahead.
Sir, what about the date data type is there na size, and how much memory location it will occupy, sir?
That is not defined in this thing. If you have mentioned as a date data type, then you have to enter like this only. By default, it will be assigned like this. So memory they have not given more than this, it will not store. If you want to store more than like hours, minute and all, then you have to use timestamp.
Hello, sir. Just to clarify, all things, your varchar will be provided by the our project only, no? They will be providing us all
they will give you a full definition of all these things. All details will be given.
That is not our headache. We will be entering these data.
No, they will define. Business analyst will explain you, and your developer will design your tables. You don't have to create the things.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, guys. So next one will be operators in Oracle. So if you have studied your engineering or your BCMC or any other stream, any other degree, so you will be knowing that operators. Okay, operators. Okay, so there are a few operators are there: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operator. Okay, unary operators, compound operators. Okay, so SQL will support all these things. More than this also are there. But some common we are going to use as a SQL arithmetic operator, SQL comparison operator, SQL logical operator, SQL unary operator, and all these things. Okay, so we'll see one by one what is this all. Okay, and time by time when we will be discussing further topics, when we'll be discussing further topic in Oracle, it will be used. Okay, time by time it will be used. So whatever the process will go one by one, the topics, it will be used. These are the data types will be used in one by one. Like your arithmetic operators, what it say, when you have two inputs like A and B, if you want to add A and B, you can say A plus B. If you have two input, like again, if you want to subtract, then A minus B you can do it. A into B you can do it. A divide B you can do it. A modulus B you can do it. So I hope plus, minus, multiplication and divide you will be knowing it. Modulus means what?
Remainder.
It will return the remainder. If your let me show you. So if you are making as a modulus, okay, modulus. So input will be given A modulus. Modulus sign will be like something like this: A and B. Okay, A and B, modulus A and B, and consider that your value is 12 here. A as a 12 and modulus. Consider that 3. Don't take 3. Consider as a 5. So 12 modulus 5. It will return remaining value. Remainder it will return. So 2 it will return. Okay. So it will go 5 to 10, and then remaining it will be 2. It will return 2 only as a remainder. Okay. If you have something like 15 and you are going to modulus, using 4. Okay, 4. Then what will be your remainder, guys? So your remainder will be 3. So when you will be using A modulus B, the output will be 3. Okay, A modulus B, output will be 3. Consider next one, 16. 16 modulus 5. How much will be your remainder, guys?
1.
Sorry?
1.
1. So 1 will be your remainder. So it will be returned by 1 only. Consider that if you have 20, okay, and modulus 5, how much will be the remainder?
0.
0.
So it will return 0. That is the meaning of your modulus. So this is what arithmetic operator, very easy one. The technical people will be able to understand this, even though like non-technical person also, they will you will be knowing plus minus, multiplication, division, as well as now you will be able to say that modulus also. Okay, modulus also. Okay, next one is comparison operator. So what it will do, it will take two input, A is equals to 5, you can say. Okay, A is equals to B. A is greater than B. A is less than B. So this is the symbol of less than. This is the symbol of greater than. This is the symbol of equals to. Okay, less than, greater than equals to. This is the symbol of greater than equals to. This is the symbol of less than equals to. This is the symbol of A is not equals to 5. So A can be anything, but it will not equals to 5. So that is the meaning of this. When I say A is greater than 5, when I say A is greater than 5 means what? Or A is greater than B means what? Whatever the value you will apply, A will be always greater than B. Okay, or you can say that A is greater than B. Okay, A is greater than 5 means what? A can be 6, A can be 7 also, A can be 10 also, like that. A is greater than equals to means what? Greater than equals to means what? If you say that A is greater than equals to 5 means, A is greater than equals to 5 means what? A will be greater than, A value will be greater than 5 also, and it may be equals to 5 also. It can be, it will start from 5, 6, 7 and till infinity. Okay, but in this case, how it will be? Your value will start for A 6, 7, and till infinity. Okay, like this. A greater than equals to, less than equals to, it will be like, it will go up to minus range. Okay, it will go up to minus range. You can take any values, it will be defined in any value. So that is the meaning. Okay, so now logical operator, something it will be very important in some of the cases. In some of the cases, we'll see when we'll be discussing our your DDL and DML command. Mainly that time we'll be using this one, and an or operator, not operator, and in operator, like operator, between operator. As of now, you can say that and operator. Can anyone explain from the group and operator?
Both the value, if it is 1 now,
in the expression, if we have the two values, the first value is true and second value is true, then we can say that expression is true.
Okay, cool.
And means compulsory we have a true values.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now see, I have written somewhere, when we discuss about AND operator, when first value is returned true, okay, and the second value returns false, then it will be false. Non-technical guy, don't confuse. I'll show you when we'll be discussing DDL and DML command to Friday class. I'll be explaining you this AND operator. Okay, true when first when it's returned true, the value is returned true, and this is true, then it will return as a true. Okay, false and true, it will return false, and false it will return false. So true and false, it will return false. True and true, it will return true. False and false, it will return false. False and true, it will return false. Okay, like this, 1 and 1. Okay, it is true, correct? 1 and 1 is true, so it will return true.
Yes.
Okay, if you say that 1, okay, if you say 1 and 0, 1 and 0, 1 is for the true, 0 is for the false, it will return false. Okay, it will return false. So other values also, it will return false only. If you 0, 1, it will return false. It will return false. Okay, 0, 0, it will return 0 and 0, it will return false only. It will return false. Okay. Similarly, like when we discuss about OR operator, then it will be like, you know, your, if it's a true or false, it will return true. Okay, true and true, it will return true. False and true, it will return true. And false, it will return false. Okay, in 3 values, it will return true value. In 1 value, it will return false value. So if you'll take it as a, you know, in this 1 and 1, then 1 or 1, what it will return, guys?
False.
1 and 1 or 1?
True.
True. It will return true. 1 or 0?
True.
True.
So it will be true. Okay. Okay. So 1, 1 or 0, true. 0 or 1, true. 0. Excuse me. Okay, so 0 or 0, it will return false. So this is what your OR condition. Not means what? If you say that not symbol will be your not symbol will be like this, and if you have 0, then it will make it opposite. Okay, it will return 1. If you are using not and 1, it will return 0. Okay, so it will just make it opposite, not operator. In operator means what? If you have some branch, okay, so you can use it in this one, in, okay, and some of the value 100, 200, 300 like this, and you can close it. So our employee ID in this value, so it will give you the details of this only. Okay, so it will take all 3 value and it will give you the result of it. It will see in select statement when we'll discuss it. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm explaining in a detail level. Like operator will discuss end of the course. Don't worry. Between also we'll see when we'll discuss when select a statement. It will be in a range, like, you know, salary between 10,000 and 20,000, like this. Okay, so it will be used like this between operator. So range, in between range, it will be used. So we'll see that when we'll use select a statement. Remind me if I'll miss it. Okay, so add equals your SQL compound will be yours what? Add equals, okay, plus equals to, minus equals to, multiply equals to, division equals to, modulus equals to. This is not required much. Just remember all this point. Okay. This is what we have, the you know, SQL compound and your operators in Oracle. Any question, guys? Non-technical people, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll work more on this. Okay, and we'll learn frequently, like we'll use all this command in our regular practice session, and it will be done. Okay.
So here we are not handling any Boolean values, Boolean data types.
Boolean we are not handling here.
Okay.
Jay?
Yeah.
This all these documents will be sharing with us.
Yeah, it will be uploaded in your drive. Okay, it will be uploaded in your drive. Once I'll give you access here next week, it will be uploaded here in SQL. The document will be recording will be created. Oracle SQL recording, all recordings will be here. All recordings will be here, and your docs will be here. For the practice purpose, I'll be uploading here all the docs, and your interview folder also will be there. Yeah, Pratik, you can ask your question.
Can you repeat or type?
Or
Yes, sir.
all these things I'll be uploading by the next week. You'll have all access. Okay. One or two video, it will be not useful. Once we'll upload 3-4 video, that will be it will look good. That's why I'm uploading into the YouTube, so that anyone can refer it, and they can understand, and taking decision will be easy for you. Okay, so this is what you want to get knowledge of OR operator, correct? So or will what it will do, no, or condition. If your this thing is true, and it will if it's the or true or false will return true, true or true it will return true, false or true it will return true, false or false it will return false. Okay, when you will be using your operand, like when whatever the value you are using, if it will return true, and if you are using OR condition and it will return other operand will be returning the false condition, then it will return true. In same case for all others also, like if you will take it 1 or 1 it will be true, 1 or 1 it will be true, 1 or 0 it will be true, 0 or 1 it will be true, 0 or 0 it will be false. I'll be explaining you in the next class with more examples. Okay, when we'll discuss DML and DDL command, no, there I'll be explaining OR and ON and with the more examples, so that it will be clear. Okay, so no need to worry if you did not get, or like just now you remember this way only. This is the definition of OR operators and AND operator. Clear, guys? So can I move to the next chapter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We are going to learn a very basic command. Oracle Maximo we are not going to support. Oracle SQL we are going to learn the database, and how to use our database we are going to learn that. Okay, Maximo we are not going to learn here. Okay, so next chapter is what we are going to learn the data retrieval technique. Very basic one, very basic one. So in this we are going to learn select a statement. Your select a statement, many times I fired the query like this: select a star from employees, that, and from clause, where clause will be adding where clause as well as SQL alias, and order by clause we are going to learn it. So what is this select a statement? If you'll see properly your select a statement, no, let me take it another sheet. Hope everyone is able to see my screen.
Yes.
Just a second, guys. Let me drink water. Okay, now simple one we are going to learn as a select a star from employees. Okay, so what it means, very basic one. Select by using select we are giving permission to the database, select a star from this database. Okay, so this is the table name. From which table? From this table. Okay, select a star means, a stars means what? All the record, fetch all the record from this table name. Okay, select all the record from this table name. You can use any other table. If you want to use other tables, that also you can use it. If you want to use select a star from department, that also you can use it. So whatever the data will be there in a department table, it will be it will show you here. It will be retrieve all the data from the department table. We'll be able to retrieve all the data from the department table. So it will show you all the department related information in this, how your table is created, how the data is inserted, those details it will show. If you want to go for the employees table, then if you want to fetch all the records from employees table, simply you will write select and show me all the records from employees table. Okay, so like this, you will get all the records from the employees table. Clear, guys? Any doubt? HR1 is where? Okay, so when I have taken HR, okay, HR is the first worksheet. When I have taken new worksheet, no, it's showing as a HR1. If you will take another worksheet, it will show you HR2. HR2. Got it? Understood? Yeah, I have only welcome tab. So if you have, just try it, follow my recording, and if you are not added to group, ping me on my WhatsApp number. I'll add you to group. Okay, so next one will be like definition wise. If you'll go, no, it will be like, the select queries retrieve data from one or more existing tables. So whatever the existing table will be there, on that only select a statement will work. If your table is not exist in database, and if you'll try to fetch anything else, then it will not fetch. Like if you give a wrong table name, select a star from and employee, you give something like this. So what it will do, this table is not there in your database. So if you'll see here, your employee is not there in your table details. So if you'll run it, it will give you error. See, table or view does not exist. So select will work on the existing table only. Existing table means what? We have the employees table in the HR schema. On that only select a statement will work. You will be able to use a select a statement on the views, object views, and all these things. So we are just learning now here with the existing table, as well as in the end of the classes for SQL, we'll learn views also, object views and all will not learn. Okay. The SQL select a statement is used to fetch the data from the database table, which returns data in rows and column format. That I told you in the very earlier classes. When we'll say that employees is a table, so employee is a table, it will when you'll say that select a star from employees, so it will give you data in a column and rows format. Column and a rows format means table format. In a table format it will give you data. Okay, so this is the row, this is the column. Okay, this is the row and this is the column. So a simple column and row format, it will give you your data, row and column format. Okay, in a tabular format it will give. Sometimes it is case sensitive, and most of the time it is not case sensitive. If you'll see, here is a capital letter, but I have written in a small letter. So in this case, it will be not case sensitive. Some cases, some of the query, it will be case sensitive, but not for select a statement. Okay. The star operator represent all the columns of the table. So when you say that star, it will allow you to fetch all the columns from the table, all the rows from the table, means all the column and rows from the tables. So star means that all the record from this table. Okay, the syntax will be simple. Select column 1, column 2, column n from table name, and you can add where condition also. If you want to get only selected data, you can use where condition also. Let me show you. Now we have used a star. Now I want to fetch only employee ID. Okay, now I want to fetch only employee ID. So how we can say? You have to write your column name here. So if you write here column name, select employee ID from employees table, it will give you this only. So only employee ID column it will give. Okay, only employee ID column it will give. If you want to find only employee ID column, then you can pass it like this. So it's not case sensitive. Now see, a small letter, capital letter I have written, it will fetch that. So now you got only employee ID. If you want to see employee ID, all the details here, employee ID, how many employee ID is there? 107 record. Here also you will get all the records here. Now if you want to add more columns, you can give comma here after this column, and you'll give that first and name. Okay, you can fetch like this. If you'll write 2-3 words, no, it will come automatically. If you will double click that, it will be automatically, it will be taken. Okay, now if you want to fetch only employee ID in first name, you can write like this. Don't give comma after employee first name. Only between two columns you have to give the comma, employee ID comma first name. I'm just explaining, many of people, you people will be knowing this, but whoever is knowing that, all this concept, for you it will be revision. Who don't know, just listen carefully. If you want to fetch only two columns, you can write it like this. Okay, like this. If you want to fetch another column like salary also, you can write it like this, comma salary. Okay, salary. Okay, so salary. So if you run it, it will be done. Now why I'm using this semicolon? Can anyone answer it?
Without it, it will not accept.
See, what is the meaning of your semicolon? Sorry.
End of the statement.
Yeah, end of the statement. It's like end of the statement. Semicolon will means what? It's end of this statement. Whatever the statement you have written, no, this one, it's the end of this statement. If you'll not write here, means what? Oracle will think, okay, this part also included. If you'll see here, it's a red color is coming. Okay, so it will if you'll run it here, it will be like, the SQL command not properly ended. So Oracle get confused, and it's thought that Oracle thought that it's ended here. So I have to include this also. So at a time, it will include whatever the correct syntax is there. So you have to terminate this line with semicolon. You have to terminate this line with the semicolon. Okay. So if you run it, it will give the error. It will give you the output. So simple one. One more thing, you can select it like this, whole things, whatever you want to run it. So it will give you output without semicolon also. If you want to run, then select it like this. It will run that much only. But if you want to use only the cursor you can keep here, and if you click here this red color, you will get your output. Okay, you don't have to select whole this thing. You don't have to select. Just click here somewhere in this line and run this green color. Clear, guys? Any doubt?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, next one is whatever the column you want to add, you can add here, and you will get the output on that. Okay, so next one is that your where condition. Okay, if you'll see here, our output is 107 it's showing, but I don't need 107 records. Okay, I don't need 107 record. I need only employee ID 100 details. Okay, so what we will use, guys? Anyone know?
Where employee ID is.
So where employee ID?
Employee ID is.
Employee ID
equals 100
is equals to 100. Okay, so like this, if you'll keep cursor anywhere and run it, you get the only one value. Previously we were getting 107 record. Now we got only one record. Now I want to get more the value. Okay, I want to get a value of 100 also, and 101 also. Employee ID 100 and 101 also. Can anyone help me who knows before?
And operator.
So
in operator.
So we'll be using in operator. Okay, we'll be using in operator. Okay, in operator, and open the bracket. Okay, add whatever the column you want to take it. 101 I want to take it. 101 I want to take it. Close the bracket. Okay, take somewhere in the cursor and run it. So you got the two values. So if you'll see 100, 100 and 101. Okay, so like this. Now one question. You want to add more values like 102, 103. That also is possible here in operator.
Yes, sir.
100 and just a second. Let me complete, and then I'll allow you to answer. Okay, question. Ask your question after completion of maybe I'll be answering all these questions. So employee ID in 100, 101, 102, 103. If you run it, you'll get all these 4 values data. But we have selected only 3 columns. If you want to get details of all the values, all the columns, what you will do? What you will do, guys?
Star.
So you will use a star. I want to get all details of these 4 values, all 4 employee ID. So you will write it. You will get all details of these 4 values. Clear, guys? Any doubt?
Suppose in employee ID is not there in 101 is not there in table. What will get? Only
Consider
3.
that I have given here 501. Okay, 501. So what it will do?
Only
It will
3.
give you from the list whoever is available. Okay, whatever it's available, 100, 102, 103 is available. So it will give you that. It will not give you for this.
Okay.
Okay, so this is one thing. Next one is your question should be that if I want to fetch the first name, consider that I want to get our first name. Okay, first name is string. First name is string. So what we will do equals to what? How can we write it? Whoever know earlier, can you help me?
First name.
Single
Quotations.
quotation.
Double quotes, Steven.
Name.
Double quote or single quote?
Double quote. Double quote.
Single quote, sir.
Single quote.
Single quote, sir.
See, if I want to find the details of Nina, then what is the process of writing it? Use single quote because it's a string, okay? Use single quote for string. Nina. Close the single quote.
Yes.
Close the single quote and terminate the line. So it will give you details of Nina. So Nina is not there because it's a case sensitive in this case. Okay, in this case, it's a case sensitive. So what we have to give? We have to give exactly same how it is there in your database. So Nina, okay, like this, if you'll give, you'll get the output. See, you got the output. Sometimes it's a case sensitive, sometimes it's not case sensitive. Now, if I want to get details of more than 2 names, okay, so what we will do, guys, how can we modify it?
In
First name as Nina.
First name and last name.
in
First
sir
name in.
Yes sir.
In.
Equal.
Okay.
Comma.
Comma.
Then another name.
Under single quote or double quote?
Single quote.
Single quote.
Single
Same
quote.
as it is how it is here in a database. And then close the bracket. It will give the both the details. Both the details. Okay. Now I want to apply some more filter condition on this. Okay. Now I want to apply some more filter condition on this. So how can we do it? Say that all are same only. Say that where the employee ID is 102. So how can we write? I want to find the other details also. First name in Nina and Lex and employee ID in 102.
Operator and operator
And operator.
Employee
ID is equals to 101.
And 101.
Employee ID is equals to 102. Okay. So what it will do? It will first it will search this one. And then out of these two lists, it will search this value. Okay. So whatever the value it will be there, it will give you output of that one. Okay. This one. If you'll use OR operator, it will give you both the things because it is satisfying both the condition, correct?
Both.
Yes.
Yeah.
It will give you both the records. See, it's satisfying both the condition. True. Okay. True. And this you can say that false only. True or true, both are true only, correct? So it will be satisfying this. If I'll make it here 105, then
It will retrieve only first name.
Only first name.
why first name or condition we are using here?
Only one condition
Yeah,
satisfied.
3
True,
records. Nina
true,
like
false.
105. 3 records.
See, true, false, what it will return in or condition?
True.
True.
Values both are false. Then only
True records.
See, 3 record will get 105 also. Okay. True and true only. Okay. Consider that I apply here 501, 502. Then how many records?
Two
Two
records.
records will be.
Because this ID will be not there in your
Percentage
list.
just.
ID is not there in this list.
Yeah,
So it will
list.
return only this value. Okay. True and false. So it will return true only. So it will give you 2 record only.
Daddy
Okay. So this is how we have. Next class we'll learn between operator in this. Okay. Next class will explain you again this one. Will explain you again this one, and will apply more of the condition like between operator, and then we'll use date condition. Date also. Date will also come in single quote only for your kind information, and we'll use between operator, in operator, your order by clause, whatever the remaining things are there that we are going to learn. Where condition, SQL alias. Okay, SQL alias is important. Order by clause. Someone asked like order by clause. In that we'll show you the whatever the things are there on the date column. Okay. So in next class we'll discuss it from the starting. So this class, these things will not take more time. Maybe 5 minutes only. We'll explain you for the overview, and then we'll move to the this one. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Now it's 9 o'clock. We'll close the class and we'll upload the video into the YouTube for today. Friday onwards, we'll be uploading to the Drive, Google Drive. All document and all will be shared there. Okay. And guys, one request: whoever not paid fees, please pay the fees. Okay. So if you will pay the fees, it will motivate me also, because we are putting lots of effort, me and Vishal, for your placement and all, and it will be your long-term support. Okay, give your 100% output, learn my 100% syllabus, not 99%, 100% syllabus, you will get your job. Okay, fine guys, so let's disconnect and then we'll meet on Monday. Manju, you have any question? Manju?
Yes, sir.
Any list of queries, documents?
So the list of queries are there in a drive, Google Drive. Okay. Maybe who paid the fees, I shared with them earlier. Okay. Can you guys confirm you have received or not? If you see here, we have a class document in there. So all the queries are there in that.
Okay, sir.
So please see, all these queries will be there. Okay, I'll be sharing you for the fast tracks. Whoever paid the fees, I shared the fast track course, and you have all videos access for SQL. Now I have given the SQL access only for this one. Around 13 videos are there. 13 videos are there. I have given you all access. You have class docs also. Okay, class docs also. You can refer queries and all here, and moreover installation guidance also there, and your SQL Oracle SQL interview question also there. Okay, so that also you can practice, but now you don't see that SQL interview question until unless you don't complete 80% of your SQL syllabus. Just a request, don't go for the interview question for the after completing 1 or 2 videos. Complete at least 10 or 11 videos, then go for the interview question, otherwise you may get confused. Yeah, so Chandra, I have shared, I'll share you my Google Pay, GPay or PhonePe number. It's a 9886822451. Name is Jayant Kumar. Share me the receipt also. 9886822451. INR 10K. 10,000 rupees. 10,000 INR, Indian currency. 10K only, I'm saying. Chandra, it's 10K only, okay?
Jayant,
yeah, tell me.
You have given access, right? Means how did you need to share my email ID?
Yes, ping me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, your mail ID. Okay, ping me your mail ID on my WhatsApp number. I'll be sharing you the access.
Okay, fine.
Pay the fees and then share it. Okay. Okay, bye guys. Take care. Go for the fast track course for this Monday to Friday. Okay? It will help you a faster way.
Sir, what time on Monday?
Friday it will be. Friday, Saturday, Sunday we'll have the class.
Fast track Monday.
See,
What time we can?
See, Manju, if you have subscribed for the fast track course, I'll be sharing you the recording of the previous sessions. Recording of the previous session. If you'll have any doubt in this understanding and all, you can call me or you can message me. I'll be assisting with your my help. But you'll refer this recording. One session you did you have referred and go through the document. Go through the document and practice it. Meanwhile, if you'll have any doubt, you let me know. We'll discuss on that.
Okay, we'll join as usual daily classes and fast track classes too,
Fast
right?
track will be giving you the previous class recording. You can able to attend the regular class also. You will be able to complete the fast track also. You will have both access. You will have fast track course access. You can prepare in a faster mode by referring previous class recordings, document. You can ask your doubt in between. Okay, and you will be attending the regular classes also. It's not mean that you are going for fast track only and you are not attending the regular classes. You are eligible for both.
Okay, yeah, thank you. That's what I'm expecting. Actually, I'll be a bit of free for this month, my project. So
you go for the fast track.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay, go for the fast track. Complete in 15 days only all the syllabus. Give your 8 hours time, 6 hours time. Complete in 15 days. We'll prepare your resume after taking mock interviews.
Sure.
Mock interviews will let you know your subject, like which area you are weak and all. Then you will put more effort on one day. Then again, I'll take mock interview. We'll prepare your resume and we'll start searching job.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, so
Okay,
this is
fast
the
track means,
fast track.
do we have to pay any extra payment
For
fast track?
No, not like 10,000 only for you will have access for the fast track previous class recording, as well as you'll be attending the regular classes only. That fixed fees is fixed for the 10K until unless you will not get the job.
Hi Jayant, can you please tell them to, if you are not talking, yeah, please be on mute.
It will be more helpful for us.
Yeah. I have muted all. Now who want to talk, you can talk. I'll take care of it.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, when I subscribe the fast track, so, sir, we have to access to the classes for that.
Yeah, you can attend regular classes also. You can ask your doubt. You see, 1 or 2 times if you listen the same thing, no, it will be more added advantage to your knowledge.
Okay, sir.
Sindhuja was attending like one batch, another batch also, like fast track. She subscribed and she was attending the classes also. The same way you will be also accessing the classes also, as well as the fast track also.
Sir, any weekday I can ping you and ask the questions, right? If I have any questions.
Definitely, you ping me. You have my WhatsApp number, correct? You will ping me. We'll discuss in my free time, and then we'll try to close your doubts. It's not like that you paid and then I forgot it. Until unless you will not get job, I'll be supporting you on all the aspects.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Others also pay it fast and utilize your Monday to Friday. Okay. Prepare, listen the recording and prepare it. Friday we'll have the next class, evening 7:30. Okay. Evening 7:30 we'll have the classes on Friday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday we'll have classes. In these days, you can ask your doubt. Next week we'll keep one practice session on Tuesday or Wednesday evening time, so that anyone will be struggling with the queries, writing queries and all, then I'll be assisting with you. So because next week, like by next week, we'll have the finalized candidate. So on this Tuesday and Wednesday, one day I'll be scheduling for the practice sessions. So we will be struggling with the queries. I'll be, I'll be helping you on that.
Sure, thank you.
Okay, guys. So you have my PhonePe and Google Pay number. I'll share in a WhatsApp group also now. And please make it payment, and I'll give you access for that. Okay. Bye, guys. Good night, everyone.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Bye.
Feel free to message me or call me if you'll have any doubts. Bye, everyone.
Okay,
Thank
sir. Thank you.
you.